Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm doing an update skincare routine video because I haven't done one of these in a long time. Okay, sit back, relax, and enjoy, and I'll show you the products. Products I'm going to be using, products I'm using and loving are elemis products. If you have a skincare routine and you have products that you're using right now, use it. These are just an update, and I'm telling you the products that I am loving. As you all know, if you follow me, a follower before, and you're still following me, you'll know that I was into Lizzo, and I was using the skin cleansing polish, the toner, and the cream. Normal combination, and the day sensitive cream. I switched to Nivea, so I stopped using the combination. I was only using the combination. Did a morning routine. I've shown Lizzo products before, but this is just an update. 2021, so it's been a long time. Let's get on. First product I was using is a gentle firming facial wash. I'm going to use this twice a week, but for now I'm using something else. But this is what I was using before elemis. I will link everything below and what products I'm using below. So I need to hurry up and use it, put this in the bathroom because it's starting to liquefy everywhere. I'll do the face stuff first. These type products need to be in the bathroom, and this sensitive cleansing wash. Okay, I'm going to put these back upstairs and I'll go on with the rest of the products. Also, I was using the gentle firming wash with the elemis, and I was mixing that with that. This is as the gentle cleansing lotion. Use every day on gentle skin. It's vitamin B5, aloe vera fragrance color, and alcohol free. I recommend these as their own products. If you're looking for a cheap skincare routine, Walmart, as they're Walmart. It's for sensitive skin, dermatology tested. Then I was using the Hydration Boost Day Cream. Netougina Hydration Boost Water Gel. Using it, loving it. I use this now just for underneath my eyes when I want to cooling. So this is for my nighttime. I use it now and again when I'm feeling a little bit dull. But there's other products I use now. But I use this just for underneath my eyes. And underneath here. Put it in the fridge, which is what I'm going to do after this video. I also use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. I'm almost out of it. I absolutely love it. I use this when I need a little bit of freshening, or before I put my moisturiser on. I use this. Really, really good. And this is the box it came in. I also have this, is what I've been using. I love it. I have the smaller size to this, and it is Balancing Lavender Toner. This is good for a refresher if you've got a toner that you use. Fine. This could be used as a cotton wool pad and wipe gently over the face after cleansing. Can also be used as a refreshing spritz. The best result to use after balancing lemon blossom cleanser. Yes. So you just use it as a refresher throughout the day. I mean, you don't need to lug this around. There's other freshers that you can use. What have you been working from home from lockdown? Next is the Hydro Boost. I went on to the Netougina Hydration Boost. I found that this was really hard to make my skin red and bringing up the rosacea, which is what I got. I had to stop. So because I've got sensitive skin, I got the elemis version. It's Hydro Boost Sensitive Day Cream. And this is the Aqua Water Gel. The way it's good, but I'm just going to use this from now on underneath my eyes. Herbal Lavender Repair Mask. Love this. This is 15 ounces, 15 ml. I'm going to get the larger version of this. And I know it's a UK brand, and you're probably thinking I've used other products, but I love this. Elemis brand had a facial last Thursday, and if you've not had a facial, I recommend Elemis facial. One in John Lewis where you can go to might be a little bit cheaper, but if you're having a spa day, you've got the money, go for a spa. Go and get the Elemis facial. You will not be sorry. It's one thing that I would recommend. Doubletree Hilton. There's a larger one in Chester if you want to go there. But if you want to go to, I think there's a lot, some in Liverpool. There's one in Liverpool, Doubletree, St Thomas Street. That's where they have it. And I went there the other day and it was ultimate spa experience. I recommend it. You can do an all-nighter where you stay the night and you get your treatment done and you have afternoon tea the next day. I want to go there because I want to experience that afternoon tea. But you want to go to the Hilton and just have afternoon tea after your spa. A lot of hotels do spas, but if you do have a hotel with a spa, take advantage of it. Because at the end of the holiday, we can come home. You treat yourself to a spa. Do this. Cannot recommend. One thing out of all the products I would recommend and you're using is, and you should be using, is, there's loads of them on the market, but this is the one I use. SPF. This is 30, this is Dermalogica. It's good for rosacea, which is what I've got. And it's apply to face and neck, preferably 30 minutes prior to sun exposure. So before you go in the sun, use this. I always use it before I go in the sun, and oh my god, my skin is thanking me. Look at my skin. So clear. It's toned down. I do have a little bit of all I have on because my skin is that good. This is coming from who used to bake and contour and blusher, highlight everywhere before I go out. Benefit Give Me Brown, concealer, a little bit of rosy cheeks and lipstick, and that's all I have on. No mascara, nothing. That's how good my skin has been. And it's because of this. Obviously, I get the odd breakout, I get the odd time of the month, so I use sensitive products for that and gentle products for that, so on my time of the month. But other than that, I can't stress enough on how putting SPF on your face I used to use Elizabeth Arden, and then I found it was being really not good on my skin. And I stopped using, I didn't think I'd really need it, and I'd always use when I was going on holiday, but you shouldn't, I mean, that's the only time that people say that they use sunscreens, only when they go on holiday or when in the summer. I mean, I feel bad for saying this, but my mum doesn't use any sunscreen at all because she wants the brown. She's come from that generation of you go red, you peel, you go brown, and then you start to peel, and that's getting a tan. No, get a gradual tan. Do you want to end up with skin cancer? And one of her friends died from skin cancer, so I thought that would have woken her up, but it still hasn't. But, I thought that would have had an effect on her, and it had an effect on me, and ever since then, and before that I was using, I'm not here to protest or whatever, but if you want to have good skin, also skincare is healthcare, self-care as well. So have good nutrition, food, and exercise regularly, do all the things that you've got to do, but also take good care of your skin. You only have one skin, and that's what my mum taught me. But she doesn't wear sunscreen. I reckon she uses soap and water and a bit of Johnson baby lotion. I said, don't you cleanse your face? No. I just get up in the morning, go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and put on a little bit of lotion. Baby lotion to wake you up. No. I tried it, it doesn't even do any good. It's just putting moisturiser on your face. It's baby lotion, it's not even doing anything. So I don't know what she does. I think she does use soap and water, and she does get a little bit of dry shampoo. I think she does. I don't know what she does with the skincare. People are very private of that. I don't know why. Went over from the Hydro Boost to the Hydro Balanced Day Cream. Recommend this. It's for normal combination skin. And I always put this over when I'm feeling a bit, after I've put all the other stuff on my products. This just balances everything out. That's why I like this. And I used it all up, and then I didn't buy it again because it was. But now I got all these off Amazon. So Amazon. I know I was a bit rushed, but that's a rundown of all the products that I've been using lately. Thank you guys for watching if you did, and I shall see you next time.